If you own an old home, keeping the wood windows is definitely an asset. You might run into problems with old windows with broken ropes, windows that are painted shut, and bulky storms on the outside, but they're worth saving. Windows like this can be made energy efficient, brought up to current standards, and make function very smooth.
Slim Line Insulating Pane is an innovative and cost-efficient way to save your original and valuable wood windows while protecting your investment and updating them to modern standards. An additional tempered glass pane is added to the sash without replacing or altering your original glass. It will protect and preserve the original glass and glazing for the life of the window. Slips were specifically designed to maintain the beauty of your original windows and avoid costly replacements that don't match your home or cheap, inconvenient storm windows and window fills that you can't find parts for. Slips have the same effect as insulated glass, but unlike insulated glass, they will never have failed seals, meaning lower future maintenance costs. And with the energy savings they produce, slips pay for themselves. Unlike conventional storm windows, they are practically invisible. They have a sleek look and feel with a low profile, allowing for no loss in outside viewing space. You'll also retain full functionality. Slips work on all kinds of windows, like casements, awnings, picture windows, and great on double hung. With a double hung, our slip system enables the sash to be adapted for a balanced system, which will support the extra weight of your windows while they operate. As a result, you'll get smooth and seamless function from your window. In addition to these benefits, weather stripping is added to prevent unwanted air leaks and drafts.
If you own an old home, keeping the old windows makes sense.
A simple yet powerful way to modernize and retain the charm and value of your vintage windows.